Bro, how am I gonna do that?
Our friend and me.
Bruh.
Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Now we're here in New Cross. We're going to the beach for a music video for Haiti and Jeffrey. Where's Jeffrey? We're doing a music video for Haiti. And
Why are you tapping me like that?
and Jeffrey. Where's Jeffrey? And Jeffrey's under. He's already in the car. So you excited?
I'm excited. I'm a bit nervous, but it's Owen got hands, so he's
Amen.
excited.
Bueno, y sí, nada más.
A few moments later.
Bruh.
Tony's in the fire, man, not too hot. Damn. All right, we made it to the beach. The weather itself is all right. It's a bit windy, but you know, it's calm. The singers have arrived. Yo, they arrived. Los cantantes. Y, yeah. It's a nice view. My hair is, oof. And that's the top that she's wearing. Praise the Lord. Así, amén, amén, amén.
Que no se nos olvide que todo esto no es para nosotros, no es para alzarnos nosotros ni para decir que somos mejores, sino esto es para Cristo. En el nombre de Jesús, amén. ¿Unas palabras, Mika? Ven aquí, Mika.
¿Para quién?
Para el blog.
You're not live. Okay.
¿Qué quieres representar hoy?
¿Qué quiero representar?
Ajá.
Hoy es día de unidad, de familia en Cristo, de darle honra y gloria al nombre de Jesús a través de los dones y talentos que Dios ha puesto en personas como Jeffrey.
Amén.
Sí.
Amén. Personas como Mika, que ella también es, ¿cómo se dice? Es comunicadora.
Por acá tenemos a Cristian. Cuéntanos, ¿cuáles son tus expectativas para hoy?
Las expectativas, déjamelo. By the way, y se fue. La entrevistadora se fue. Por lo que ven, voy a pasar frío el día de hoy. Todo el mundo quiere la manta que me lo dieron a mí, pero bueno, no pasa nada. Las expectativas es pasarlo muy bien, compartir ahora en familia. Vamos a hacer el video de Heidi y el Karma, alias de Jeffrey. Nada, muy contento por estar aquí. Y nada, estamos bien. Los dejo otra vez con la entrevistadora. ¿Qué pregunta tengo para la entrevistadora? ¿Cuáles son sus expectativas también?
Bruh.
You done it already?
Vale, yo le hago una.
Okay, go on.
¿De qué color era el caballo blanco de Santiago?
Caballo blanco de Santiago.
Eh,
¿El caballo blanco? ¿De qué color era? Blanco.
No,
¿Qué color era?
era negro. Su nombre era blanco. Te hago un acertijo para el blog. Acertijo para el blog. No sé hasta qué punto vas a usar nada de esto, pero bueno. Esto es una persona que vive en el piso séptimo, ¿vale? Vive en el piso número 7. Cuando baja en el ascensor, cuando baja utiliza el ascensor, ¿vale? Hasta el ground floor. Pero cuando sube, pulsa solo el botón 3 y lo demás sube andando. ¿Por qué?
I got this.
Algo con fi.
¿Qué es? ¿Qué es? ¿Qué es? A ver, explíquenlo.
2 hours later.
Piensen. You give up. Bro, not because he's tall, because he's short. He doesn't reach the number 5, 6, or 7, innit? So he has to go, press number 3, and walk it. He's a midget, basically.
Estaba lejísimos, ¿eh?
Here we are at the beach. We are in Moorgate, right? We just got here like a good 20 minutes ago. We're still waiting for people. But there's a few bits and bobs that we have to do. But right now, what are we doing? We're gonna get some food because people are hungry. You know, it's too early to eat, but okay. It's like 11. But yeah, this is my people. And look at the beach. The beach. You're at the beach. Boom. Let's go. So here we are at Captain's. How do you say this? I can't read. Digby. Captain's Digby. All right, we're pulling up. We're gonna take, like I told you, the people are hungry. Oh, it's a bit quiet. So we're gonna go eat some food before recording. So yeah, man. Simple vlog, simple vibes. The vibes are here. Excuse me, miss. It looks like we're in a ship, innit? So basically, we came in for no reason, but we're just vibing. So we're gonna go Mackie D's. Oh, they don't like it, so we're gonna move. Okay. Nice shirt. Oh, looking stylish. Mad. You're caught on camera. Why are you hitting my cousin? Why are you trying to hit my cousin?
A few inches later.
Huh? Arr, matey. Ah. Oh. Where did the other one go? Oh, there she is. Sí!
Por aquí.
Por salta, salta. Andrés! Andrés, give me the boot. Give me the boot.
Can we get down, please, guys?
Ah! Ah! Ah!
What did I say?
Watch out.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Melanie Walcarcinani. Welcome to whose channel this?
Huh?
Yours. Is this channel?
I'm streaming.
Yeah. Offense, guys.
Willow J.
So like,
Willow J, Dubs in the chat. We're here another day, another slay, right? All in period. Another day, another slay. Here with Big Boss Marco. Marco, how you feeling today?
I'm good.
This guy Fulham came 2 hours late. 2 hours.
It's Hosse's fault still.
We're gonna blame Hosse.
Bruh.
Here with a bunch of like bare female. Alright, relax, please, relax.
Don't
Right.
talk to camera.
Here, Andrea. Uy, le pegó duro. Bossman Pipe. Pipe, what are you gonna get today?
I don't know what you're gonna get today. Put me on.
Put you on?
Yeah, put me on something right now.
It's Lidl's, bro. They have.
This is Audi, anyways. Let's look at Willow J's taste. Put me on something right now, bro.
But this is Audi, bro. They got rubbish stuff. Shout out to Audi, though. Sponsor me. Here we are at icecream.co.uk. What should we get? So this is day. I've streamed for like 3-4 times now. Right. This is day 5, not day 5, but stream 5. So we're coming next year to go to streaming university. You know, shout out to Kais and that. And the big boss Isaac is here.
What are you telling me? Oh, it's a live stream?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. I'm trying to like food search right now. Just a really quick snack because I've been hungry since we went out the house. So, do you want to say hello to the live stream? I have a ball in my car.
You're lucky there's no water. Who's this?
You're welcome.
Spotlight. Yeah, it's in the spotlight now.
Better wake up.
Chill. What the hell? That was a hard slap. Alright,
He's meant to be like focused. No.
Yeah, you're getting distracted by girls, guys.
Yo, I live right now. We are gonna go back into the car and we're gonna go food center to get food. Obviously we had a long travel, we had like 2 hours travel and we are hungry. I'm hungry once again. Even though I had breakfast, but I'm hungry again.
Bruh.
And yeah, man, the weather's alright. It's just
The weather is alright.
the weather's alright. Like it's a bit cloudy, but it's not hot, it's not cold, it's calm. Like it's calm. And now we're gonna walk. Oh, we're walking it there. Obviously, there's no point of driving there.
Well, my car is
So yeah.
He wants me to brush my hair con esto.
It works.
There's no way.
You can do edges.
Joycey!
Man.
Can I have
Joycey!
Oh, professional footballer.
Bruh.
Why would you have to say funny?
I need you, bro. Record. What are you doing? Bro, the cameraman shouldn't be doing this. Bro, cameraman's not recording. You're getting too distracted. Alright, cameraman.
Échalo.
You're fired. Santi, you're hired. ¿Qué dijiste? What'd you say?
Fight.
Are you chatting to my cousin like that? ¿Cómo? Le encanta el joder. Oh, that was not me. Hey.
Oh, you gonna back it?
We don't want violence on the stream, okay? It's all peace and love. Who is? I'm peace and love.
You.
I'm peace and love. All I want is peace and love.
You want his problems.
No, we don't.
Wait, this feels weird. I feel like it's a celebrity.
Santi's doing his job. That's it.
As William.
Huh?
Is this life as William?
This is Willow J. This ain't William.
On,
This
just
is
Willow J.
Just Willow J.
Okay, you think I didn't see it?
Heard you end though. You know what?
Look, this is how you should be. Look at the cameraman.
Yeah, he's 6 though.
Going backwards and everything. Huh?
Yeah, but you're not doing this for free.
I ain't paying you.
He's not doing this for free.
What? I can fight. I'll find someone else. I'll be my own cameraman.
Well, you're gonna be another.
Yeah, exactly. Shout out to Bethany. Any words for the stream?
Relax.
She said relax.
Bruh.
We got 2K follow right
Oh.
now. What do you need to say? They try to say that you're a celebrity.
You're actually jokes. I like that support though. You know. So listen, so we were gonna go to a restaurant, but it looks like a pirate ship, so we left. Right? But and then we went Audi for whatever reason. I don't remember why. I don't know why. But here we are at Metro's. Shout out to Metro's. I literally have one in front of my house as well. Back in And we're gonna get some chicken and chips. That's what I'm saying. Boom! No claps. Bambaras, no. Yeah, shout out to Marco. Yes, supporter. Anyways, here we are, chicken and chips. You know, just vibing. We're gonna get some food. Some people have
So what you gonna buy me?
I ain't buying you nothing. You know, cameraman is not supposed to speak. Why are you talking? You're 5 now, bro. Not yet.
A few inches later.
Yummy, yummy, Hi guys, we're here.
We on TV because of you.
I was on
Should I kill you? Damn! Someone cancel the cameraman because no, let's actually change this cameraman. Yeah, pero no de ahí, bro.
Bun everything. Bun everyone. Get me home right now. I'm passing the mic. I'm passing the mic to the person that almost crashed and that almost went into a no entry road.
First of all, I didn't almost crash, and second of all, I parked perfectly on the curb. But talking about curb, I'm gonna pass the mic to the guy that went on the curb, and his car made a cracking noise.
Well, that is a lie. The car didn't make no noise. I did get on the curb. But unlike him, I didn't almost crash a lady's car in the attempt of getting into blah blah blah.
A few moments later.
Hace un calor. What the hell was that? Boom. Man's gonna shout you in a little bit, right? So I'm gonna stop the stream right now. I'm gonna come back in a little bit. Line bike.